Right guys, welcome to a new video. Bit of a crazy one today. I'm going to walk you through the trade that I literally just made about 20 minutes ago. I've been trying to record, but unfortunately my Blue Yeti wasn't plugged into my computer. So I've plugged it in, it's now working. So what I'm going to do is, obviously this video that I did record has no sound, so I'm basically just going to go into my folder and we're going to watch the video together, and then basically I'm going to do like a commentary over the video and show you exactly what happened. So starting the video off, just to go through a couple things, this is a very quick trade, incredibly quick, and I'm incredibly happy today. You can see it's 28 minutes past 9. I want you to keep your eye on this over here. You can see I'm typing in coda, but you'll soon see I switch to MDGS, which is in the top right hand corner here. If we just go to so you can see here I still have coda up in my left corner, but I switchly changed to MDGS. I see it shoot up to 642, and I see it on the gap scanner, and as you'll see in a second, so my buying power is $3,113. I can see it up here jumping to 651, and then I quickly change my left chart and my montage to watch the stock more closely, basically, because I can see there's quite a lot of interest. I can see it's respected the EMA, it's quite a bullish flag, and you can see this green candle here, this 2-minute green candle looks very bullish. So I'm hovering around buy 95%. I buy 95%, it gets brought. You can see here, look, just watch. $194, $228. I sell, $207 profit. Incredible. I mean, let's just go back and watch this trade again. So you can see I hover on buy 95%, which is my hot button. I watch it come down. I'm like, no, this is strong, buy. And then just watch the unrealized, jumps up, goes to about a high of 228. You can just see 228, and I put in my buy. I put in my sell, sorry, for and I think I sell. Let's have a look. Try and see where I put my sell order there. That's my buy. Just trying to see what the bid was. So I think it was 745 when I sold. 747. So if you just go back 10 seconds, because the trade was so quick, it was 7 seconds. The trade was 7 seconds. So you can see here I was trying to convert it just to basically show how much it is. So $207 is £156 for me in the UK, so pretty incredible. So you can see here, this is where I brought my shares. So you can see I brought it at 9:30 and 5 seconds. I brought 23 shares at $6.99, and then I brought another lot which was $6.98, which is a bit cheaper, a cent cheaper, at $400. And then I sold 7 seconds later for $7.48, which is a 50-cent gain on 423 shares, which is just incredible. And you can see here, this is where I go onto my Excel sheet and I basically input the numbers. So you can see I brought at $6.99 for 423 shares. This is my Excel sheet. So the ones in yellow are the ones that I have to change. The ones in red will basically change when I input the figures. And as you can see there, 7% gain on the trade, 7% on the trade. $207, and as you can see there, give or take $207, which is just incredible, because basically what that means is, because I'm playing to 6-to-1 margin, my $200, my $207 times that by 6 is basically $1,200. So tomorrow I will now have, as you can see here, my buying power is 4,381, whereas when I started the video, you'll probably see around here, it was around 3,100. So although I only gained $200, theoretically I gained about $1,200 to $1,300, because my buying power is going to be more tomorrow, which basically means I can trade less riskier. And what that is, simply what that means is, if for example, let me try and show you down here. So I think at some point I do show this in the video. Yeah, so this is where I go through this in the video. So you can see here my capital down here is 2,900, let's say 3,000, okay. So 1% of 3,000 is 30. But now my 1% is going to be $44 basically. So 4,000, let's round this up to 4,400. My buying power is now 4,400. 1% of 4,400 is basically $44. Whereas earlier today, my buying power was 3,000. So my 1% was only $30. So in a sense, I've basically gained about 46% in buying power, because 7% on the trade times that by 6 is around 42. So my 7% on the trade times that by my margin, it increases my profit per trade ongoingly quite substantially. So all else equal, keeping everything equal, my 1% tomorrow is going to be returning me more than it was earlier today. And why is that? Why does that benefit us? Well, that basically means I don't have to be as risky. I can be less risky. I can trade less risky because, for example, if I had $10,000 in buying power, a 1% gain would be $100. Whereas if I only had $2,000 buying power, $2,000 buying power, I would have to have a 5% increase, a 5% gain to make $100. But if I have $10,000 in buying power, I only need 1%. Now, do you think it's more realistic to make 1% a trade than it is to make 5%? Well, yeah, it's 5 times harder. So tomorrow I have $4,400 in buying power. Now, I could be happy and take a 1% gain and walk away with $44, whereas today, if I did that, I'd only make $30. So you can see the significance in that. So I think that's basically what I touch on throughout the end of the video. But I just want you to walk away with this video. It was a very quick trade, 7 seconds, $207. Buying power is increased. I'm walking away happy today. I withdrawed about $1,000. I brought my setup. I'm over the moon with my setup, my tower, my monitors, my speakers, my keyboard, my mouse, everything is just perfect. I will be adding to the monitors. I do want to get about 4 to 5 hopefully in the future. But that's going to be the end of the video. I really hope you've liked the video. Like I say, it wasn't that informative today, but it kind of was because I'm not carrying on trading. You know, some people make $200 in 7 seconds, but then they carry on trading throughout the day and lose it. Whereas I'm stopping. I'm going to edit this video. I'm going to do, I'm going to change up my charts. I'm going to do a bit of homework. I'm going to track my trades, do some Excel homework, and just have a bit of a relaxation day. You know, I've made my money. Just be happy with that. It'll take me about 15 hours to earn that when I go working at the weekend. So I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10-hour shifts. I earn £100 a shift, so £300. But I've just earned £150 in UK money, which would take me about 15 hours to earn. And I've been sat on my gaming chair drinking coffee. So you can't be too greedy. You've got to know when to stop, or you've got to know when to basically be happy with what you've got. So, like I say, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.